To the moon, unraveling the buzzword. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, to the moon, a phrase that has rocketed in popularity across various contexts. Whether you're interested in finance, space, or general English conversation, understanding this phrase is crucial. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily English. Before we dive into the metaphorical, let's start with the basics. To the moon literally refers to traveling to Earth's only natural satellite, the moon. This phrase captures the grand scale of such a journey, representing a significant distance away from Earth. The phrase has taken on a new life in popular culture and media. To the moon is often used to express a big dream or an ambitious goal. It has become synonymous with aiming high or achieving a lofty objective. Think of it as setting your sights on something as distant and as mesmerizing as the moon itself. In the financial world, to the moon refers to a stock or cryptocurrency's price soaring to dramatic highs. When investors are bullish about a stock, they might say it's going to the moon, implying that it will increase in value significantly. It's a way to express optimism and excitement about an investment's prospects. Let's practice using to the moon in a sentence. Here are a few examples. Ever since the new CEO took over, our company's growth is heading to the moon. I believe in this project's potential. It's going to take our success to the moon. The fan base believes their favorite team is going to the moon this season. Using this phrase shows that you're not just talking about success. You're talking about massive success that's almost out of this world. There are other ways to express this idea with similar enthusiasm. Phrases like sky high, stellar success, or astronomical growth convey a similar sense of large scale and high ambition. So, don't be afraid to be creative and use variations to spice up your English conversations. And that's a wrap on to the moon. I hope you now feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations and can shoot for the moon in your language learning journey. Remember, learning a language is all about embracing new expressions and using them in context. Until next time, keep aiming high, and maybe you'll go to the moon with your English skills. Goodbye for now.